Well, Pakistanis and Kashmiris living around the world are observing the 5th of August as Kashmir Siege Day. The day marks 1 year since India illegally stripped the region of its autonomy in violation of UN resolutions. A curfew has been imposed in several parts of the region in the wake of protests planned by anti-India groups to mark the 5th of August as Black Day. Our correspondent Isa Naqvi from Islamabad has more in this report.
5th of August marks a year of unabated terror, unleashed on the residents of what many call heaven on earth. This day reminds the world how it kept silent on the incarceration of 8 million people, young and old, men and women, the sick and even the children.
5th August 2019 will always remain as a very dark day in the long-standing saga of the freedom struggle of the people of Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The illegal unilateral actions by India seeks to change the ground situation and unleash a brutalization, an organized, deliberate, choreographed brutalization of the people of Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir.
During the past 1 year, Indian security forces have been brutalizing Kashmiris with full impunity to persecute innocent civilians, demanding their just right to self-determination.
Powers given to security forces were always draconian, but the new ones that have been given now, and under which extrajudicial killings have become the norm, as I said earlier, have taken this brutalization of the innocent people of Kashmir to an unprecedented level. And the worst part is that there is complete impunity with which they operate, and they have, so to speak, blessings of the government of India.
Despite crushing curfew, communication blackout, mass incarcerations and extrajudicial murders, India has been unable to suppress the Kashmiris' call for freedom. Experts say the frustration of Indian government has found a new vent.
Whenever there are frustrations within India, then they sometimes boil over along the line of control or on the border with Pakistan. What we have seen in the last few months is extreme frustration by the Indian troops, by the Indian government.
India has indulged in deliberate, unprovoked ceasefire violations at the line of control to divert the attention of international community and hide its crimes in the occupied Kashmir. This year alone, India has committed over 1,800 ceasefire violations. Since its illegal actions in violation of UN resolutions, India has martyred 214 innocent Kashmiris and wounded around 1,400. But the chants for freedom from Indian oppression echo louder in the occupied Kashmir today. Reporting for Indus News, Isa Naqvi, Islamabad.